Welcome to another video. If you're wondering why is that door white, it's okay, I do not know either. We are going to yes, as you see, I showed the buttons to show you how I did this. So here's the up buttons. These are the up buttons. And now we're going to show the buttons. And now we're gonna go to this. Okay, so really we can jump in this obby and really try not to make it hard for ourselves, because the last video we made it so hard. So we're gonna try not to today. And if you're wondering in the other video why didn't my mouse move when I was moving, so as you see these right here, they keep popping up and I keep going up and down, that's to show you what I did. So yeah, I'm actually using these arrows to help me. Really, I can just run. Oh, and if you're thinking it's another game where I can't jump. Well, I can jump in this one. I'm just not jumping because really I don't have to jump on this. So this will be kind of easy. I mean, I don't have to jump. So let me delete this ad. I'm watching YouTube and I keep doing this. Okay, once you're there, you can go up here. And in my other video, I said join me in Roblox, and some people did not like that. I only got one like. Well, that was a fail. That was a totally fail. Now which one is it? Is it yellow? It is green. It's green. Yes. Why did it have to be pink? Pink? Oh, blue. Guys, if you was wondering what was that, really, that was just my screen. I get the things when I put my things down when I have these buttons now. Ooh, that was a close one. Oh wait, I don't have to jump. Okay, I can just do this and we're there. Now we just gotta run, which is the hardest thing to do. Yep, so those are the disappear stairs. All you have to do is just do all of these and you're done. We are at stage 14 and we have to go up to stage 50. So we're gonna keep going. These are the buttons I am clicking, if you did not notice. Wait, are these do I have to guess the right one? Oh no. Cool, no one cares. And guys, it is not morning. It's still nighttime. The door's just lighting because I have the light on. So yes. And I will. Ooh, that was a close one. Ooh. Oh, I can just run? Okay, thank you. I don't want to fall off the edge and then have to restart. So what we have to do is get on. Ooh, I almost fell. Well, I don't fall. We're on 20 already? That's kind of cool. I mean 30, 40, 50. We only got 3 more left and yeah, we're done. Dang it. Okay, I gotta use this one. Okay, guys. Ready? Ooh. Ooh. If you're wondering where did the clicking sounds go, they are gone. And we did it. I guess he was... I guess he wants me to go. I'm just scared. Oh, he just bought it from Robux. He want to show off. I mean, you don't have to show off. I'm just saying, like, you can just tell people that you just got this new razor. I mean, like, not that big of a deal. Like, anyone could buy that. You know? I guess there's only I don't know who this is made from, but I know him. Okay, like, I'm literally hurting my own avatar, and that hurts. Anyways, let's just keep going. These are poppets, because they're popping, you know? Pop, and it's poppets. I thought I was going backwards for some reason. We have 28. We got 57 progress. I know, like, really, it's kind of... I know, guys, it doesn't show the thing for... It could have just said space. I think you don't need help. I mean, like, I'm going all the way up there, so it's actually too late for me. No! Wait, are we on stage 61? Or are we on stage 62? Or stage 31? I'm so confused. I guess that's showing my progress. The one with the percentage, I guess that's showing my progress. I don't know. Imagine it was just a glass. I could have been like walking straight. I haven't jumped in a long time. That's kind of cool. Oh, I guess I had to jump for this one. Okay, really? Yeah, so that's why it's a big space. Okay, now I can just run. By the time we are done, this is the time where the video ends. When we finish the whole game, the video ends. So I really hope it's like very short, because really I don't even know how much hours or minutes or seconds it has been, because really I am not counting. But really, I need to know how much long has it been. So, blue, okay. Green. So it's pink. Pink. Okay, it's that one. So I died for him. Blue, green, pink, red, okay, I did it. I don't remember some of them. Okay, really I'm just gonna be... I I really was gonna say, I don't think we have to jump, but I mean, okay. Okay, I was doing so good. I was doing so good. Woo! Dang it. Okay, don't get me mad now. Don't get me mad. Because then the other one, I was like, ugh. Why did we just fall at the same time? For some reason, I didn't see. See, it's just moving. I move it this way. Okay. Thank you. Sorry. No more key sounds. Okay. We made it. We made it. I think he was trying to say if I don't make it, I'm going to get tased. So I hope we make it. Guys, what is happening to my screen? And usually when I post something, it's blurry. So I will make sure it's not blurry. And I think someone will comment and say, please move your keys more. It would give us more time to relax and have fun. Okay, I will do that, but I mean like, honey. Oh my, I'm supposed to only use red. I think I'm about to get tased. Keep going like that. Keep going like this. I don't want you to fall, character. So if you do, I will get tased. Oh, I'm about to get tased. I'm about to get tased. I'm about to get tased. I really wish you stayed home. My brother is very, very ugly. I wish you stayed home. Your ugly face get on my nerves. Ooh, this is like super hard for me. I'm literally using my keys. We're doing good so far. I hope we don't die on this, because really this is my last one and we should be good. Ooh. Oh, please don't tase me. Like literally, if he tased me on my last one, I would have been so mad. Yay, yeah, jump for me, jump for me. Okay. $94. Okay, really? They're calling me an angel because I'm literally all of this for them. Is this all about him? We're at 49. Okay, we're gonna see what did we get. What did we get? Let's see. Oh, that's where y'all got the outfits. Yes, I knew him. Yes, I was correct. I was correct yet. Yes, I knew it was him. Like, I just knew it. I just knew it. I just knew it. Come on. No. I just knew it. And by the way, guys, bye. Hope you have a good time watching this video, and I hope this video blow up. Because in my other video, it took like 34 hours. But I don't know how much this one took. But we're going to see soon. Bye!